Hey guys, here 6 square is 36 minus 9 minus 1 is 8 times here 9 minus 6 is 3. Here 36 minus 8 is 28 times this 3. Here 28 times 3 is 84. This is wrong answer. As per the order of operation, this 84 is wrong answer. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from the order of operations. Here this is bracket which is very higher priority. This is multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here the multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we have to follow here another rule called left to right. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Here this bracket is higher priority. We have to do this before any other action. So 6 square minus this bracket is 8 times here this is 3. Now next action is this one. So 6 square is 36 minus 8 times 3. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication here. So 36 minus here it is 24. Now 36 minus 24 is 12. 12 is the correct answer.